2, Mini Chill. Meanwhile...
Oh, hi, Piggy. How's it going? Did you guys get my secret escape plans?
Yeah?
Well, did you study them?
Well, we don't want to escape from Mini Chill, Piggy.
What? This is madness!
But we like it here, Piggy. Yeah, we like working in the cafeteria.
Look at the yummy cupcakes we baked. Wanna try one? No! I don't want to try a cupcake! I'm not even hungry anymore. You guys made me lose my appetite. How can you be so selfish? Move over!
Ah! Nom, 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 nom. Hey, Piggy, can I have one of your...
No! I only have 7 left. Do you want me to starve to death?
No.
Stillfish. Hey, Piggy, you've got a visitor. Very well. It's about time. Hey!
Ah! Soon. Hiya, Piggy.
Well, did you bring it?
Aren't you even going to say hello?
Hello, Daryl. Did you bring the canary glow?
No.
No? Why not?
They don't make it anymore. The factory was destroyed. But I brought you something even better.
What's this?
It's your costume.
Costume? What for?
For a club, Piggy. Don't you remember the friendly friends? I just recruited 2 new numbers. And I figured if we're gonna be superheroes, we're gonna need costumes.
These are the most ridiculous costumes I've ever seen. They look like baby clothes. Who would be dumb enough to wear something like this? Hiya, Piggy.
Sup?
Ah! Ah! Oh, look, we touched Piggy's heart.
With friendly power.